Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Private and PSU Jobs. My name is Love. Today I have come up with an apprentice job training. The name of the organization is National Mineral Development Corporation. So now first let us discuss something about the organization. It is a government owned mineral producer and it comes under the Ministry of Steel, Government of India. It produces iron ore, copper, dolomite, gypsum and many more. So if you are eligible, then you should definitely apply for this. I have opened up this PDF to discuss some important points related to this job update, such as selection criteria, eligible qualifications, number of vacancies and many more. So if you are interested, then please be with me till the end of this video. I will attach the link of this PDF in the description box of this video. So let us start. The vacancies has came up for the 3 posts. Number 1, graduate apprentice. The number of vacancies are 16 and for this 4 years degree is required in BE/BTech and you can read the following disciplines from the PDF. Number 2, technician apprentice. The number of vacancies are 13 and for this 3 years diploma is required in the following disciplines. You can read from the PDF. Number 3, programming and systems administration assistant. For this the number of vacancies are 30 and actually this is for ITI candidates. So if the candidate is having national trade certificate issued by the National Council and if he had done vocational training in computer operator and programming assistant, then he will be eligible for this apprentice job training. So please note down this thing, it is very important. The number of vacancies are total number of vacancies are 59. Next, as this is an apprentice job training, so final year students are not eligible, only pass outs are eligible. Also those who have already done apprentice training before are also not eligible. Next, stipend for graduates it is 20,000 per month. For technician it is 16,000 per month and for ITI holders it is 10,000 per month. So this organization is giving very good amount of stipend. Usually the stipend in apprentice job training is very low, so I will recommend you, if you are eligible then you should definitely apply for this. Next, trade apprentice candidate will have to register on www.apprenticeshipindia.org. So please note out this thing, this is very important. Next, graduate and technician candidate will have to first register on NATS portal, and if you have registered before then no need to register again. Then you will get the registration number, then you will have to make a resume and you will have to attach a recent passport size photograph on the right corner. You will have to mention the registration number that you have got from NATS portal. You will have to mention address, email ID, mobile number, date of birth proof, qualification details and caste certificate, and also you need to attach the documents related to education such as BE/BTech marks, provisional certificate, 10-12 mark sheet, and all these documents you need to send through this email ID. Please note down this email ID, bld5hrd@nmdc.co.in. So this is the important thing, note down. Next, the selection procedure. The selection will be based on the marks that you have obtained in the degree course. So if you have a good marks in BE/BTech or diploma or ITI, then there is a high chance that you may be selected. Next, I will mention some important thing that is written in this paragraph. So note down and read this paragraph very carefully before applying for this apprentice job training. A preference will be given to the local candidate. That means as this is an apprentice training for Bacheli complex, Chhattisgarh, so if you are a local candidate then you should definitely apply because the chances of selection of yours will be very high. So this is the important thing, it is written in this paragraph, so read it very carefully before applying. So this was the update I want to discuss with all of you. Thank you for watching. If you like the content and if you want these kind of job updates, then please like, subscribe and share my channel. I will meet you in the next video with new job update. Till then, goodbye, take care.